guys if medyo maingay tayo like ngayong araw. Kasi may nagbe-videoke na naman. Dun sa kabila. Hi, mahal ko. Shari. Sa kabilang dun sa neighbor namin, dun sa tapat ng bahay namin. Meron kasi lang videoke na parang hulugan, yung inuhulugan mo ng 5 pesos. Tapos, pagkada may maghuhulog doon, kakanta kayo ng 2 song. Kaya medyo maingay yun kasi may nagbe-videoke dun sa tapat ng bahay namin. Hindi naman bulletproof yung bahay namin para hindi marinig, right? Kaya, medyo maingay. Mag-sound trip na lang tayo. Isipin nyo na lang na nagsa-sound trip tayo ngayon. Para hindi naman din masyadong boring, di ba? Remember me. Thank you guys for the likes. I hope you're doing it. Nag-dinner na ba kayo guys? Nag-dinner na kayong lahat? Para hindi na kayo Dr. Love, shall we? Nag-dinner na din naman ako guys. Huwag kayong mag-alala. Mark Hill, thank you for the like. Thank you for the like, Mark Hill. Nag-dinner na din naman ako. Hi, old. Abad ko. Paano ba yung basahin? Hi, ID number. Ito talaga ako. Friends, shall we? Inaantok na ako, guys. Parang I wanna sleep, but I cannot. Actually, I wanna sleep, but I cannot sleep. What's the problem right here? Jason, hi. Ewan ko, naiinis ako. Ay, nagsapo nito sa wait. Ay, wala pala. Marry me. Ay, wala. You should pay me to marry you. Ace Morgan, shall we? Nosy. Why are you here again, Nosy? Why are you laughing at me? You shouldn't laugh. Because I'm crying. I just wanna sleep. But I couldn't sleep. Hi, Daryl. Hi, Bench. Hi, Bench. Bear. Shall we, Bear? Ewan ko ba? Ano bang gagawin ko dito? Wala akong mag-uwang. I don't have anything to do. Ay, wow. Oh, wow. Oh, you're watching me. You're so kind today. Kasi you're so kind today. Like, you gave me gift once in a blue moon. So, I think it's unusual. Like, what did you do? Did you do something wrong? Hi, Brandon and Steven. Shall we? Look at my earring. I wanna add more piercing here. Like, as you can see, I have an old piercing, but it's suddenly... Oh, Nosy, I'm so sorry.